So we're here today at our newest acquisition we're working on right now. This is 278 units, A-class property, exceptional looking property here in South Dakota. So Rapid City, South Dakota. This is where Mount Rushmore is located. It's a great city. It's actually growing at 7 times the national average. And it's the fastest growing city in the Midwest. So still kind of a sleeper market. Not a lot of people know about it, but we do. And this would be our third asset here in South Dakota, third multifamily property. Really excited for this one. This same developer that we're buying this from, we actually bought another property 2 years ago from. And yeah, we're right now in the process. We're meeting with a partner of ours, private equity partner, that's going to be writing $9 million check towards the equity. And we're still raising some more equity. We need about 19 million on this deal. Really excited. We're coming in with a fixed agency type loan, so de-risking on the loan side, low leveraged, fixed rate, and then this will be cash flowing from day one. We've got some market rents, a gap there of around 150 to 200 right off the bat. This developer's been pretty comfortable with the operations and hasn't really pushed it much, so there's also a lot of other income we can add. So pretty simple value add business plan here, pretty straightforward. We're not having to put in a lot of capex or renovations. I mean, it's a great looking property. The amenities look great. We're just gonna basically be doing a few upgrades in the interior units, stainless steel appliances and a few other items, and then fixing up a little bit of the amenities. We're gonna be adding a pickleball court, which I'm excited about, and some other items there on the amenities. So yeah, we're doing some video. You can see behind the scenes here. Just doing a few videos to market and put it out there.